You are welcome to Ben Ambitious Inventions YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy a file on your laptop or computer onto an external drive. First, insert the drive on which you want to copy the data onto. When you insert it into your laptop, it will show that it has been inserted. So you note that particular drive. Find the particular file you want to copy. Put your cursor on it, then right click on it and click on copy. So after clicking on copy, then you go to my PC. So when you go to my PC or my computer, then you open it. Then you select the particular drive you inserted. So this is the drive I inserted. So you select it. So when you select it, then you put your cursor on it. Then you right click. When you right click, then you click on paste. Then that's all. Please don't forget to subscribe. So when you click on the external drive, you will see that the file that we copied has been shown the climate presentation. Thank you for watching.